This is a hold-up, the demonstrators are chanting. The government wants to cut their pay, and they call it robbery. Public service workers in Madrid are on strike. Financial market analyst Alberto Roldan works around the corner. He values stocks for insurance companies and banks. Many of his customers have lost confidence in investments. He says he can no longer predict how his business will develop.
What'll happen? It's impossible to answer that question. Maybe we'll have it under control in the coming weeks, or maybe the end of the year. But at the moment, it's very hard for stocks and markets to find an answer.
His workplace is just 5 minutes from the Madrid Stock Exchange. On the way there, he passes by buildings that date back to grander times. They represent periods of rapid development in 19th century Spain. The old stock exchange dates from then too. But those times of great wealth in Madrid are over.
Fear is the main thing. We're not worried about things losing their financial value so much as we are of losing the things themselves, our positions, losing our house, our car, and our social security. That's the widespread fear in Spanish society now.
The visit to the old exchange is a nostalgic one for Alberto Roldan. There's no trading going on here on the floor anymore. Although there are monitors showing the share prices, the deals are made electronically and behind closed doors. The Spanish stock index lost more than 40% of its value last year. Media reports that Angela Merkel and Eurogroup President Jean-Claude Juncker want to support Spain did buoy up the market a bit.
What does that mean? Last week we got good news from the EU. The news that Spain will get help was still being reported after the weekend. Statements from Juncker and Germany have helped Spain's economy. Those are all reports that have a positive effect on the market.
The picture looks different next door in Inverseguros. People here are preoccupied with the crisis.
I'm a taxi driver in Madrid, and the crisis has hit us hard. Since 2008, we've really noticed the number of fares going down. It's really hit us hard.
Your friends and the people around you are having a hard time. People are out of work.
You see a lot of stores going out of business, but I'm optimistic. I keep on working and hoping things will look up.
That's how Alberto Roldan sees things too. He firmly believes Spain will have overcome the crisis in 5 years.